welcome back to All Things Jessica. So today's video is a lot different from what you guys are used to. I know you guys always see me in like messy hair, cleaning the whole house, but there's another side to me. And this side is investing. This channel is gonna be focused on stocks, and this is my husband, John.
Hi.
So he's gonna be here with me because we wanna start like a stock channel series here on my channel. And I want him to, he knows a lot. Like he's the one that's teaching me, but also I wanna make sure that us women, I feel like stocks is just a whole different language for us women. And I wanna make sure that anything that he says, we can understand. Like break it down easy for us because I want you guys to start investing, make money, and get financial freedom. So if you're into this content, make sure you hit the like and let us know that you enjoy this content so we can continue making more. And let me know in the comments what days you would like us to publish these kind of videos. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we are gonna tell you guys how we went from 0 to 100,000. Now, it wasn't all in stocks. Don't think that we just put $1 and we magically turned that dollar into 100,000 because come on, we all want that. But no, it was a lot of hard work. So the first time we made our first money was through flipping houses. We started flipping houses back in 2015. And I remember our first daughter was like 6 months.
Just a few months old.
Yeah, she was 6 months old. Like at 3 months, he was like, hey, I think we should sell our house and start getting that money out and like start flipping houses, buy a house. But oh my gosh, that was so difficult because we had to live in the houses we were flipping. It wasn't like you buy a house, you flip it, but you don't live there. So it was a total different experience, which I think it really tested our marriage.
It tested it to the extreme.
The extreme.
Picture almost a condemned house, but not quite that bad. Still
no,
livable.
Really bad. No, it was really bad. His bad. No, it was bad, girls. It was bad.
I had to run around and kill the cockroaches before she saw them, otherwise she'd be too scared.
Guys, it had roaches. I am terrified of roaches. You can do anything and I'm cool, but don't put a roach because, oh, I lose it.
Mm-hmm. So we were working 16 to 18 hour days in the heat, in the cold. They call it the sweat and blood money. So you work for every single cent. Yes. And so that's what we did. We did a total of 5 houses. Yes. And
after that house, we said, okay, we can do this. Now we had more money. So our second house wasn't as bad. Now we could buy something a little bit that we could just like flip a few things and make some money. Mm-hmm. But our first one, we like gutted it. It was all of it. We flipped everything.
You would not believe.
Yeah.
We should have had videos of that house.
Yes, we should have started a YouTube channel back then, and oh my gosh, you guys would have laughed. You guys would have laughed.
That would have been very entertaining.
Yeah,
I think we had a couple of floods.
Oh my gosh.
Possible fire.
Remember, this is going out of, no, I'll leave these stories for next time.
Lots of stories.
Because we have so many stories. Our first night, let me know in the comments.
$100,000 is the name of this video.
Let me know in the comments if you guys want a video about us telling you guys on the next video. Our first night in our first flip house. It was horrible, let's just say.
It's bringing back memories. Yeah. All right, but we're going to stay on topic here.
Yeah, let's stay on track. Okay, so we flipped 5 houses and that's how we made most of our money. Well, half of our money. Mm-hmm. Once we were done flipping houses, we had $50,000 in the bank just sitting there, not making us any money whatsoever. So we were kind of done because we wanted to enjoy life, so we didn't want to continue flipping houses.
No more flipping houses.
It takes so much from our marriage, our kids. It was too much for us.
Especially when we had our second kid.
Yeah, well, then we had our second child and we're like, this is not for us. We have to take a break because now we have to enjoy our little ones.
It's very time consuming.
Yes. So, and there's no way I would do roaches again. No. So then we were like, how can we make money? Then COVID hit and we were at home thinking, spinning our wheels. How can we make money? I mean, we have to think of a plan B because right now, nothing is warranted. Like everything is up in the air and you can't just rely on your job anymore. So this is when we decided, or he decided, hey, I'm gonna invest in stocks. He's been doing research for years. He knows the ins and outs. He just didn't feel like, I guess we were afraid that I wasn't gonna go with it because I mean, it's our hard-earned money. And I was like, so you take it from here.
So I did a lot of research and I got Jessica involved in that, and we did a lot of research together, and we came to the conclusion that we should start investing in stocks. So we took all the knowledge that we had and we decided to only use $10,000 of our savings.
Yeah.
And it just so happened in the coronavirus, the stock market took a big plunge. I don't know if you guys remember that, but it was around March, stock market took a plunge. Well, we live here in Las Vegas, right? So there's a lot of casinos on the Strip. And I'm very aware of all the casinos and what they're doing at all times. So I saw the El Dorado Casinos, ticker symbol ERI, was going to purchase Caesars Entertainment, which owns half the Strip. Well, just it so happens that the stock market was plunging at the same time, and the highs were something like $70, but it went down to like $8. So I said, hey, this is a steal. Even if it takes a year or two to recover, we are going to make some money on this stock. So that's exactly what we did. We put $10,000 in it. And it was actually sooner than later, the stocks just started climbing.
Yeah,
so that $10,000 just grew into $50,000.
Like, make it rain.
So we decided to cash out at that time, and the stock did keep climbing. But the thing is to take your profits and don't be too concerned if it keeps climbing, because what if it dropped after that? Yeah. So we took the $50,000, and then we started looking towards the future. What is going to be in the future? What kind of stocks are in the future? EV vehicles, electric vehicles, these solar. So we decided to go with Tesla. We love Tesla.
Who doesn't?
Elon Musk, come on, shout out there. So this was before the stock split. We put all $50,000 on Tesla, and now they've already joined the S&P 500, and a lot of great things have happened with Tesla. So they have already doubled. We've already doubled that money, and now it is at $100,000, just over, actually.
Yeah, I mean, and in just a few months. Because it's not like it took years. Because even flipping a house takes a lot longer than stocks.
We didn't make near this amount of money flipping houses. Believe it or not, you have to put a lot of work into it, a lot of materials, a lot of their own money. And then you have to hope that the market is going up with the houses. If the market's going down, you could possibly break even or lose money or something.
Yeah, it is
especially
so
with
much
the
work.
sales tax and the realtor fees and everything like that. So we now have 100,000 in stocks. And we're looking at a bunch more stocks, and we have a portfolio. So we're going to tell you exactly what's in our portfolio. Stay tuned and let us know if you are looking at any stocks or if you're interested in getting in any stocks, and we're going to tell you.
And let us know if you're interested in this kind of content, because I know it is so different from what you guys are used to. Also, he does have his own channel. We want to get that going. But I don't know, it's been taking forever. We have 2 kids and life is crazy sometimes. But I will have it linked in the description, and hopefully that can start growing, and then he can do channels, videos over there, more in depth, more in details. This is gonna be, I want it to be mainly for like women, easy. This is what we're doing. If you wanna do it, if you need help, let us know in the comments.
Financial freedom.
Yeah, I want you guys to just have your financial freedom, and let's start this journey together. Okay, so now we're gonna be going into details about where we have invested, so that way you guys get an idea and let us know if you wanna invest in them too or not. But before we tell you this, let me tell you a little disclaimer. We are not professionals, you guys. We just started doing this, like we've been doing good. That doesn't mean like base all your faith in us. No, do your own research. Make sure if this is something you want to do your own research. Go hire a professional if you need to. This is just for entertainment. This is us sharing our experience, and hopefully we can help some of you guys. So let's get started on our portfolio. So we've invested in 3 companies. We decided to split our money 3 ways like that with 3 companies because it just made sense for us.
Going in on one single company with all of your money is never a good idea. We did it because there was catalyst there, which the coronavirus tanked the market, and I knew Tesla was going into the S&P 500 and great things were happening there. And then all the great investment companies all have included in their portfolios Tesla as well. So I knew that going in, so we did a ton of research, but don't YOLO all on a stock.
Yes.
Do not. So we've
Do they
diversified.
even know what YOLO means? You only live once? Some of them that might not know.
Yeah. So here we go.
Okay, so the first one we decided to invest in was Tesla. So take it from here.
So Tesla,
Like Tesla.
I've already said Elon Musk has great things going on.
We love Tesla. We love the company. I feel like It's not gonna go anywhere.
No, it's only going to grow
Your
over
money's
time.
safe. I feel like your money's safe in Tesla.
Just like with, like, say, Amazon and the big
Yeah.
companies out there, all the investment companies go with these same companies over and over and over, and they diversify between they call it the big six, now big seven with Tesla, and then you get an 18% return. Where our goal is to at least double our money every single year. We can do better than 18%, and hopefully you can too by
of
doing your own
course.
research and watching, and we can all grow together.
Yes.
So Tesla is expected to go upwards of $7,000 a share in the future. And this was said by Kathy Woods, who's one of the greatest financial investors. She handles hundreds of millions of dollars in her portfolios for her company, the ARK Investment Group. So she's world renowned, and I trust her judgment because she's had an amazing track record.
Yeah.
So Tesla is number one in our portfolio.
In our portfolio. Yeah, we love them. Hi, Elon. If you want to send me a Tesla, I'm here. The ones with the wings, please. Okay, and the second stock we invested in is NNDM.
Nano Dimension.
That's a hard one. I'm like, what is it called? Yeah. So let us know about that one.
Okay, so
I like that one.
it's
I
a
have faith in that one too.
Yeah, you do.
Because my mind is in there. You guys better do good.
We're going to show you when her portfolio is growing, and you can see her success
Yes.
And grow yours along with her.
Yes, I'm also growing a separate portfolio. Like this is together, but of course, I always want a separate one because I'm like, hey.
Because you never know.
I want to spend that money on whatever
YOLO.
I want. No, so that one is separate, but it's cool because I get to share that experience with you guys as well. That one I did not start with thousands of dollars. So we started little with that one. We'll see where we get there though.
Okay, so they are a 3D printing company. Their 3D printer is the Dragonfly. They can make microchips in anything, and they can make anything 3D printing. The reason it's so special is because companies can take this 3D printer and bring it to their company, and they can make the 3D printing in their company. So if they have a microchip that is top secret and in their new product, and they don't want anyone else to find out, instead of shipping it overseas to mass produce it, they can actually do it inside of their company without anyone else knowing. So they can just mass produce the microchip. So this is a very, very, very important stock for the future going forward, because the future, believe it or not, is space. And there is a company, ARC-X, which is their space division. It's ran by Kathy Woods. She's the same one who said Tesla will go up to $7,000 a share in the future. She also is the head of ARK Investments, and she is the head over ARC-X. Now, it's a private traded company right now. When it goes out on the market, I will probably be buying it just like SpaceX. But right now, they're private companies. So it's rumored that ARC-X will be buying Nano Dimension. Now, if this is true, and if it happens, Nano Dimension should double or triple within the few coming months. So look forward to that, and refer back to this video to see if we're right or wrong.
Yeah.
I believe we're going to be right. It's going to be very exciting. So
For sure.
let's go on to the third.
So our third and final is PSTH.
Which is Parish Square Holdings. Now, this is the biggest and largest SPAC that has ever hit the market. And it is ran by Bill Ackman. And he is a legend when it comes to SPACs finding a company. So a SPAC basically is like, we'll just refer to it as like a bank or a blank check. And so companies, when they're hitting the market for the very first time and they're coming public, sometimes they need a bunch of money to get their product out there. So they need an investment company that they can merge with, and then they have all the money that they need to start producing their product. So this SPAC, he put $4 billion of his own money. He's considering a blank check. Right now, it has already risen. It started out at $20. Right? So even if it went down, it would only go down to $20 because he put $4 billion of his own money. Right now it's valued at $5 to $7 billion. Wow. So basically it's a blank check for any company that's getting ready to go public. It's already been on the market for 6 months, and it is rumored within these next 2 to 3 months that he will be merging with an amazing, huge unicorn type company.
Unicorn. I was like, unicorn?
A unicorn type
Unicorn
company.
slime or something? No.
So and he's always finding the best companies to merge with. So I mean, I would love it if, I don't know, if it was ArcX or one of these other companies that are getting ready to come out.
Yeah.
And because PSTH, Pair Square Holdings, would just shoot through the roof. It's going to double or triple within the next few months if he finds that company.
Yeah.
So we invested early on, and it's already up to $27 is the day of this video. We shot this video. So look at these stocks and just keep an eye out. Do your own research. And I hope this inspired you guys to start investing to grow your funds, your portfolio, whatever money that you have, even if it's small, it can grow over time if you're patient. And we're going to teach you how, step by step.
Okay, guys. So if you liked today's video, please make sure you hit the like, comment if you liked it, if you understood what we're saying, let us know. And if you don't understand, be like, you know what, can you break it down in like simpler terms? And we totally will. So I hope I get to see you guys on the next one. And thank you so much for watching.